everyone, guess where Lisa is? And it's at night too. She's by Uncle Louie G's.
Have to end the night with an ice.
Even at night she has to come.
Our favorite spot. Favorite. Can't end the night without.
That's right, Uncle Louie.
How are you swimming?
Lisa has to come at night to Uncle Louie G's.
Has to be.
Louie G. Cherry chip.
I don't know, maybe I'll try cherry chip.
All right. You have to try that
How
one.
are you, sweetheart? How are you? Awesome.
At nighttime, Lisa has to come to Uncle Louie G.
Have to. All right.
That's it.
I'm going to try that cherry chip. Yeah, you want to try it?
That sounds good.
Yeah, make it for me. Thank you.
Go.
Wow.
So what flavor is that one?
Cherry chocolate chip explosion. You have to say explosion.
Explosion. Cherry chocolate. Cherry chocolate chip explosion.
Yes.
You have to all say that together, right?
Ready? Cherry chocolate chip
Explosion. This is the best ices in all of Staten Island. Right, Lisa?
I love it. You guys do. You're ready.
Oh, you're smart.
Get it back to making it.
Hey! Uncle Louie G's, we love all of you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Have a good one.
All right, YouTube, everyone loves Uncle Louie G's, and so do we. You have to come and try these ices, huh, Lisa?
Love these ices. I got the chocolate Chris, and I got
Oh, I love it.
cherry chocolate explosion. No, cherry chocolate chip.
Cherry chocolate chip explosion. It's not easy to say, but we just said it, right,
Say that
Lisa?
10 times fast. Woo! Cherry chocolate chip explosion. Cherry chocolate.
All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed our trip to Uncle Louie G's. Have a great night from Chris and Lisa.